I just want to make this quick video to show, like, as a DevOps engineer, terminal is your second home, and knowing how to effectively navigate the shell will basically help you become even more confident DevOps engineer. And there are so many tips and tricks that I can show you, but this is one of the essential ones that you can pretty much apply in your daily work, as well as when you're giving some performance-based exams, right? And these are some of the famous CKA exam. These are all performance-based. That means you will be given a Linux terminal and you will perform your tasks over there. And similar to that, there's a famous Red Hat certified administrator, and this is more like a Linux based exam. And similar, you will be given a terminal and you need to perform some tasks, right? So you need to make sure that you have the essential bash skill, at least to the point where you can navigate it pretty frequently when you need it. Okay, so let's get started. So the basic is I pasted this line so that I can take it as an example. So it's just a sudo apt install. This is like a very basic Kubernetes installation steps, and I want to delete some of the stuff. I want to navigate this so that I can remove the things that I don't need, right? So first of all, I can go to the end of the line using Ctrl E, and I can go to the beginning of the line with Ctrl A. So that is pretty straightforward. I can even more fast, like instead of going like arrow one by one, I can move one word at a time with Alt F. So I can move one word at a time, and I can move back as well with Alt B, one word at a time. Okay, so I can even remove now one word at a time. With Ctrl W, I can remove that before the cursor, and I can remove it with Alt D after the cursor. Okay, so this is navigating and also deleting stuff. And also I can for example, if I made a mistake, I can hit Ctrl Shift and underscore to get it back. Yeah, and also there's this not everyone will use this one, but if you do Ctrl U, you can delete everything that is before the cursor. I can get it back, and I can do Ctrl K to delete everything on the right side. And yeah, that's all, and I hope this is helpful, and definitely let me know in the comments how are you using this already, or did you find anything that is surprisingly new that you can put it in your DevOps skill set.